Okay, time for a little update, I think. I've been playing around with my interior, posted some videos on the seats. I didn't get in depth with how to. I think I probably did with the back seat. That was the quickest one. The front one had broken springs. I think I posted a video about that. But I just want to show everybody where we're at. We'll just take a look at the interior here. If I can get the door open. I don't have the handles on. I gotta stick my thumb in and push the linkage. All right, there we go. Let me get a light. So, here's what we got going on. The light's a little overbearing here. Let's see if I can. There's the front seat. I don't have the door panels on. There's still some details. I don't have the kick panels on because I got to run the cable for the antenna through that A-pillar. Well, down beneath it there, right where the kick panel will go. We do have the headliner in. Visors. Front seats aren't perfect, but there's some wrinkles. I might hit them with the heat gun there on the end. Back seat. Again, the headliner's in. If you know how long I've owned this car, how long I've been working on it, getting this interior in it is sort of a milestone. And it wasn't, I didn't run out and buy everything all at once. Everything was scrounged up. I think I bought the carpet 15 years ago and it was in storage. The headliner, similar. Bought it at Carlisle or something, put it in storage. The seat covers I ordered in 2021, tail end of COVID, and I had to wait 9 months. Legendary made them. New sill plates. Oh, I even got the plastic hinge covers. Only thing we don't have yet are the headrests. My original headrests are junk. I want to get a new set of headrests. They cost about $500 for reproductions. And yeah, they will be coming shortly because I found with that stuff, if you don't buy it now, the price will go up. Say I wait till summer, they'll probably be $600. I think they're $480 plus shipping or $499, whatever. They make them. Let's look in the passenger side here. Car's dirty. It's been sitting out here uncovered, and this garage gets dusty. Wind kicks up dust. My garage doors get sealed the best. That's another thing I gotta fix. Let's look at the passenger side. The antenna's laying there. I was playing out the radio. That's the plastic panel for up here. Gotta clean that up. The dash is original, has an Alpine radio. It's just been painted silver. There's no rechrome on that. I might get that dash bezel eventually. I don't know. This car started out, again, wrinkles, but I'm going to try with heat gun on that. I don't know why the wrinkles show up there versus in the middle on the split bench. Oh, seats work. Look on the split bench side over there, the wrinkles aren't so bad. That's what you would want out. I don't know why the outside ended up the way. I think over time, though, the vinyl will shrink. Couple heat and cool, heat and cool. Heat cycles cool down. There's the back seat. That's just light on. The vinyl's so shiny. See that white speck? Looks like white paint or something. That's how shiny the vinyl is. The light reflects off it. But yeah, I originally started out, this car was just supposed to be a repaint. So coming this far with it has really been above and beyond. It's just how it ended up. But, I mean, it's an H-code swinger. This car deserved to be redone properly. That tough wheel's a repop. That's not stock for 70. That's an E-body pistol grip. Not stock. But I have other Hurst shifters. If I don't like it, I'll swap it out. Yeah, that's the update on the interior. Door panels, I have them. I just didn't put them on yet because I want to mask the door handle openings. This is all going to get masked up really nice. And I got to shoot another coat of primer, block that, and then paint. So yeah, that's the update. Like I said, I'm going to try and... Those wrinkles look worse than they really are. I'm going to try and heat gun them, see what I can do. But yeah, that's the update on the Dart.